Hey guys, my name is Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on my channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, and today I'm coming at you guys with a digital budget planning video. And the template that I'm going to be using is free. I will have the Budget Mom linked in the description box for her free resource library. You do have to sign up for the email list, but it is a free template. You can also create templates inside of Canva if you have that. I know there's Canva Pro that does cost money, but there are a lot of free options that are just in general Canva. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I have done paper budget planning before, but since I got my iPad, and I will be doing more videos with my iPad and how I'm using it. This is an iPad Air 4th edition, and I did go ahead and get the Apple Pencil as well, and I am using Goodnotes. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new notebook. I'm going to go with the blank page. You can change the color of the paper. Again, I'll go more in depth on that for those that are just getting into it. So I'm going to come over here to import, and I am going to import the Budget Crush workbook, which has notes on monthly income, list of all bills and expenses, and how to actually use the following budget worksheet, which I'm going to be using. It has a monthly calendar, a bill tracker, variable expense list, and that's about it. So I'm going to delete the pages that I don't want from this. And if I want to add them back in later, by all means. But for this one, I just really need the monthly budget sheet, and I don't need this either. Alright, so for the monthly budget, we're working with November. I love that I can zoom in here and I can change up here the color of the font. So I'm just going to go ahead and write in November. And then over here for the monthly take-home pay, I'm just going to write up here actual versus, no, I'm going to write in the estimated versus, well, I'm not going to write it at the top. I actually changed my mind there. I'm going to use each of these for the weeks. So we have $10.25 to $10.29, $11.1 to $11.5. These are my, since I get paid weekly, $11.12, $11.15 to $11.19, and then $11.22 to $11.26. And now I'm going to just highlight those and then put in that there. So November is a pretty slow month for me at work because of Thanksgiving, and then also the kids have break. If you guys have never watched any of my videos, I am a nanny. And then of course there's my side hustles, but in tracking my budget, this is what I'm going with, like my primary source of income, which is my nanny job. So 500, 500, and 300. And for this one, it was 580. So the estimated is 2,100. Now for my fixed expenses, which is what I know comes each month, I have accidental insurance. I also have life insurance. So that's $753. $42.99. My car insurance, oh, I messed up there. Let me go back. Okay, my car insurance, which is $141.16. Then there's T-Mobile, $131.58. And then there's Peacock and Canva Pro. Although these could go under variable, but for me, fixed expenses are like what I know is coming out and things that I haven't changed. So Peacock is like having a cable bill for me. That's one thing that I no longer have since I moved. I do not have a cable bill. I do not have a solid, like I don't have rent that I'm paying each month since I've moved. So I'm able to save more, which is awesome. So $341.58. So in moving, before we sold the house, I was paying $500 to $600 in rent, depending. And then I had the TV, well, I had the cable and phone and all that, and then paying the cell bills. And it was just my grandmother and I. So I was able to save a lot, but now I'm able to even save more. And I plan on looking into buying a duplex in 2022. That's the goal. But right now, after that move, I am just breathing right now. All right, so I have my hair, my nails, and these could probably all go into like, I don't know, its own joint category. But I have been saving for my hair. My nails are a touch-up, gas, and then my gas actually may decrease because my boss does pay for some of my gas. So we're going to leave this at $620. But this I already have. So this is technically not coming out of my budget, out of like this $2,100 that's expected, because I have been saving for my hair. And my hair I get done, I have knotless braids. If you've ever seen box braids, knotless braids, they start with your root first, with braiding from your root instead of wrapping the extension around and interweaving it that way. It's actually lighter on my head, and I've had these in for about a couple months. So spending $200, when I average that out per week of how long I have it in my hair, it is so worth it, because I just don't like dealing with my hair. All right, now dealing with my debt, I do have a Kohl's credit card. And I recently shopped at Kohl's, but I did not use my credit card. Then I have Amex, which is around $383. Then we have all the lovely split into 4 payment type of situations. And then I have Afterpay. So I have all 4. Klarna seems to be the highest one. Then we have, no, I lied. ShopPay is the highest one. So when I did my birthday shopping, I just put everything like this. So $845.43. Pretty hefty. All right. Then moving over here to how much I'm saving, there's an amount that goes into my checking, goes from my checking to savings every month, and it's $25. So this is just my this is just my estimated right now. All of these will probably change from the actual, which will be interesting to track, which is why I do need to get an expense tracker. All right, so my total, let's just go ahead and do that. My total, $2,100, and then the expenses, $2,100 minus $341.58 minus $620 minus $845.43 minus 25. So there's $267.99, but now I need to go and add all these up. $341.58 plus 620 plus 845, 43 plus 25. So I'm looking at 1832.01, and we'll see how that works out. So that's one thing that I'm leaving as is, but now I want to go ahead and track the Sezzle and all that Klarna stuff. I want to have like a record of that. Why are you not letting me do it? Okay. There we go. Let's add a blank page, and then I'm going to come over here to image, and I'm going to go ahead and just add this in. And I'm going to go ahead and put like Klarna over here. I think I could move this behind. I don't want it to be that big. All right. So starting off with Klarna, I have my Ugg boots. And I purchased those from Victoria's Secret. And these were $2.50. So now I'm just going to write in the date. So we have 10/29, 11/2, 11/26, and 12/10. And I should have written the amounts while I was spinning this, but all right. Get my highlighter, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight this portion here as best I can. Ooh, yes, look at them doing the curves and stuff. I like that. And then just go ahead and fill it in. All right, I do want to go ahead and erase right there. And then, okay, so that's for 10/29. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move this page to the trash. And now I'm just going to go ahead and make another one. Come over here to image. And I'm going to need one for Sezzle. And this is for, I do just need to go ahead and put in the, I do need to get the logo because I like that. So then I have Sezzle, and then I have Afterpay. Is it Afterpay? No, it's ShopPay. ShopPay has 3 of these circles. So for Afterpay, I have pink, diamond, Planner Co. And then I also have Sweet Tea Plans. And then I have Caress Press. All right. And then over here on the last one, I have Afterpay. And this is for Gold Mine and Cocoa. And then we have my favorite, one of my favorite shops to get functional stuff, Gold Paper Prints. And I just need to fill those in, and then that pretty much wraps it up for what I plan on adding to my budget section planner situation. Okay, so I've officially updated my little trackers here. So I have Sezzle, Klarna, ShopPay, and Afterpay. And now the next thing I want to add to this, which I'm not going to do in this video, but if you guys are interested in seeing how I'm putting this together, leave a comment below. And that is, I actually need to import it. And that is the Black Friday and Cyber Monday tracker. I may not be using the store and the hours, but there are some sticker shops that I want to check out. Not necessarily checking them out. I don't think there's any like stores in person, but I'm putting them on the list. It doesn't necessarily mean that I am going to shop at these stores. So I wanted to use the shape. Alright, so I'm just going to put online. Where's my white marker? Online. What in the world? Text please. Text please. So online. And there's one shop that I know of that recently posted theirs and what they're going to be having. And that is Tailor Made Creative Co., I believe it is. And now I just need to get my black one. And her discount is 40% off. And I'm just going to come over here and put the date. And then 40%, 30. Can I erase this? I can't erase that. Okay. So I'm going to wonder if this template is going to be the best. But I would definitely take advantage of the 40% off instead of the 30% off, which is her Cyber Monday sale. So that's it. And then the Cyber Monday, I don't know if I'm going to be using this template. If I don't, I'll delete it. But that is it. And what's cool is that I can then come over here and see everything, move to trash. So the only other thing I do want to add into here would be an expense tracker list so that I can keep track weekly of what's going on. So I'll do that. And then if you guys are interested in updates, just let me know. But I just want to give you guys this little setup video along with how I'm tracking everything. So be sure to check out the description box for more info. I will be doing more digital planning type videos and sharing my thoughts on it versus paper planning. So stay tuned for that. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.